All right, so I'm at the little harbor over here in Sitka, just taking a look at all the boats over here. As you can see, it's a pretty packed harbor. A lot of boats over here. So Sitka is definitely a pretty cool little town. It's definitely very beautiful up here. It's a little rainy today, kind of overcast, but that's pretty common out here. And it's just kind of cool that this whole harbor is just totally open to the public. You can just walk out there, look at the boats if you want to. And the view I'm coming up to at the end of this little pier is pretty beautiful. So definitely pretty lucky to be out here right now. I wish it was a sunny day, but we'll take what we can get. I'm just having fun exploring Sitka and the rest of Alaska. This has been a pretty cool little Alaska trip. Started in Anchorage, went over to Homer, Kenai, drove up to Wasilla, made it over to Juneau, and then flew on the seaplane over to Sitka. And I'll be checking out Ketchikan later today before coming back over here to Sitka. But here's the view that I'm looking at right now at the end of the pier, and it's pretty beautiful. Yeah, so it doesn't really show super well on camera, but the water over here is actually very clear. And that makes me really want to come back here one day and get a scuba diving trip in. I know the water out here is going to be pretty cold. It's probably pretty dark, but as somebody who's just starting to get into scuba diving, this is definitely one of those places I would love to check off my bucket list. And definitely I would love to come back here one day for a camping trip or a backpacking trip, maybe even a fishing trip, because obviously the fishing in Alaska is really good. But right now we're gonna walk around, see what else I can find in Sitka. There are some little parks, a historical park nearby that I'm gonna go check out. So we'll go see how that goes. Yeah guys, definitely a very beautiful area out here in Sitka. I highly recommend coming out here, maybe in the summer months when it gets a little warmer, but it's definitely a beautiful area to come check out. If not, just to stay in town and see this historical town and all the little cool niche places that are here to explore. So I know this was a little bit different of a video. This was more of a travel vlog as opposed to a normal outdoor video. But if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below. Comment below if you enjoy this style of video where I'm more just talking to the camera and kind of showing you what I'm seeing in some of the places I'm traveling to. I travel a lot for work, so I'm seeing all kinds of cool places. I don't really document them too much, but I might start doing it a little bit more if you guys kind of like that content. So let me know below if you guys like this kind of style of travel vlog content. I might start doing it a little bit more. That doesn't mean I'm not going to be still doing my normal outdoor content. I'm just not doing it as often right now. Obviously, I haven't been uploading as much just because I've been traveling so much for work. But I figured I might be able to make some videos out of what I'm doing for work, including this video. So like I said, if you guys like this kind of video, just let me know below. But yeah, I'm gonna keep exploring around Sitka a little bit more, see what else this little town has to offer. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.